Today we are doing our haunted house silhouette. It's one of my very favorite Halloween crafts. You're going to start off by gluing down your house and your tree. The kids can choose where they want to put it. It's completely up to them. And then you just go forth and decorate. So you have your little Halloween add-ons here, and most of the kids can peel these off. The younger ones may have a little bit more difficulty, but it's great for their fine motor, and decorate away. I don't have too much to add to this, like, as I say, I have twin cats apparently. There's also some shiny pumpkins I put up on my fence post. You can also use some crayons, as I did in this one here. I added the moon. You could add some bats, different things that you'd like to do.